I'm Dr. Abhilash, working in the field of medicine. First of all, congratulate this ITC and along with Ramke Group for starting this initiative of saving 1 lakh trees. And this is a really good thought, and I think it's working out really well. This is a really good initiative that these people are taking. Look forward for people to help out with this project and people to be involved in this kind of things, because actually we are losing lots of trees nowadays, and environment is at stake right now because of propagating cities and all. And newly these initiatives which are being taken by these companies, IT companies and all, are really reaching out for the public, and this kind of outlets wherever they are putting up, it's really we are really grateful to them starting out such an initiative for recycling things and reducing the pollution which is around us. So what I would like to send a message to all the people is, please help out to such organizations, and please start off on your own. If you can put up some effort to gather people around, definitely in and around your surroundings, small organizations which you create on your own could be of a lot of help. Other than these big people taking over things, and it'll be easier on a small scale than on a large scale, because these people can't reach out to every place, and it'll be more cost effective for small organizations to take over. I'd like to thank these people, ITC and Ramke Group, once more for taking up this initiative. Hyderabad is it's gaining pollution like at a rapid speed, but at the same time see, we are very much ineffective at controlling these things right now at this stage. Whatever is being covered up is not even sufficient to bring about the normal ecosystem. But according to the latest surveys and all, the plantations have taken up better stack. I mean, the growing now. The India, it's the cutting down is growing less, and plantations are growing more. And hopefully Hyderabad, I hope, will adopt the same policy, and it'll have a better future, because the spreading city obviously is totally bringing down all the trees, and there are not enough plantations and people who are taking up initiatives, because it costs. It is only the bigger companies and institutions which can take up such policies. So I request even the smaller groups to form groups to save the ecosystem. So just help yourself, save mankind, save trees, and you will be the benefactor.